Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Biwot Sarah and welcome to another session of Health with me. Now, I had gone to nursing school for 4 years and I had promised myself that I will teach whatever knowledge I had acquired from nursing school to you guys. So, welcome to this session. Today, we are going to be discussing about vaginal discharge. Vaginal discharges, the different kinds of vaginal discharge and what they actually mean. So welcome. If you're new, please like, subscribe and share this video for more exciting videos and to increase your knowledge on about your health. Okay, so many of you might be asking themselves, what is the normal color of vaginal discharge? How should it smell? And how do you know that you have abnormal vaginal discharge? So that is what we're going to be discussing today. So what is the normal color of vaginal discharge? I know all girls, you have vaginal discharges, right? So that is normal. So how should it appear like? It can be clear or it can be milky white, as white. Just white. And how is it smelling? It can smell a little bit, but it's not unpleasant and it should not be of a strong smell. So kindly, if it appears another color, then that's how you know you have abnormal vaginal discharge. So how do you know when it appears green? What does this mean? Sometimes vaginal discharges can appear green. So this will mean that you have either bacterial infection or you have an STI. How is it smelling? It can smell like a foul-smelling fishy smell. So that's when you know you have to visit the medical doctor for this. That is very abnormal. So as you can see from the diagram, this is how the green vaginal discharge looks like. It is thick, Again, vaginal discharge can appear brown or just dark brown or just maroonish. So what does this mean when it occurs like that? This can be as a result of after a period. This is just dried blood after the period. So when it appears after the period, it's just normal. It's just normal vaginal discharge. So how does it smell like? It can smell metallic. You know how you smell metals? Like iron just how you smell metals. Again, how can vaginal discharge occur? There can be clear vaginal discharge appearing watery with mucus. So what does this mean? You're ovulating. So that is normal vaginal discharge. So again, there can be a vaginal discharge that appears yellowish. So when it appears yellowish, this is again a sign of an infection, maybe a UTI. So it is advisable that you visit a doctor for this. So this is how brown discharge appears like. As you can see, it appears bloody and brown. So this is just as a result of a dried menstrual flow. That is dried blood. So that is how it can appear. So if you experience this, it's just normal, sis. It will pass. It's just a normal vaginal or dried blood. It can appear after your period or during your period or just before your period. See, this is just blood that are dried. So this is just clear on mucoid vaginal discharge. It can be used to determine when you're ovulating. So when you want to monitor if you're on your safe days, you can use this vaginal discharge to tell. It can be able to tell you when you're ovulating, when it is safe to have sex, to have unprotected sex or not. So if it's safe, you will see you are, or if it's not safe and you see this vaginal discharge, that's when you know it's not safe to do it, because you might get pregnant. It is a form of natural family planning, yeah, and many people use it, and it is not 100% effective. I can say it is about 60% effective. So yeah, if you don't know how to track it, it is best advised that you don't use this method as family planning. You can use alternative ways. Sometimes you have to remember that the white vaginal discharge can appear too thick. Yeah, too thick, like it's just too thick, like yogurt, and it is foul smelling, has a very strong smell. So what does this indicate? This can also indicate a yeast infection, so you should have it checked out by a professional doctor. Yeah, and it might reoccur if you don't treat it and if you don't know how to prevent what is causing it. So yeah. So this is how the white vaginal discharge that is too thick can appear. If you experience symptoms that, if you experience it that is, the discharge is too foul smelling, or if it's accompanied by other symptoms of UTI such as itching, yeah, that's, and low abdominal pain, that is pain in your lower stomach, just, yeah, below the stomach. That's how you know this is a UTI. You have to visit the medical doctor. You remember, if you do not treat UTIs, they recur. You can think that you're fine only to find out that it has reoccurred. Yeah, so yeah, your doctor, it can either be bacterial UTIs or viral. For today, you can subscribe, share this video for more exciting videos. Next time, we'll be discussing about the treatment options that you can take in our next video. So yeah, bye.